Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to set the customer defaults in Sage 50. Hi, I'm Alina. I will walk you through this training. To start the default settings for the customer, you need to click Maintain in the top bar menu. Then, the Maintain drop-down menu opens. Select the default information panel and select Customers from the menu that opens. You set the most frequently input data options here under 5 different tabs: Terms and Credit, Account Aging, Customer Fields, Financing Charges, and Pay Methods. Set the default standard terms for the customer. Put a proper credit limit restriction here. You can also enter the discount account for the same here. Default aging for customer invoices, click the Due Date or the Invoice Date radio button to select the method. In the aging categories, you can select the type of first, second, third, and fourth column healing. Number of days is counting upwards always. In custom fields, you can enable the field labels as you wish. You can move to the next tab of Finance Charges by clicking the tab. Here, you enter the finance defaults for the customer. Read carefully and enter the relevant rates and charges. You can also set the payment methods in the last tab. To set all the defaults that you have entered, under all the 5 tabs, click the OK button. Remember that accounting is a specialized job and always needs specialists. We at Sage Doctor can help you with your queries regarding the accounting methods. Call us or fill in the form in the description below for any consultancy in the accounting with Sage 50. Hope you liked the video. For more informational videos and tutorials like this, you can subscribe to our channel.